God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Warm greetings to you, my dear students and parents. As quoted by Benjamin Franklin, tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn. Involvement or involving oneself into anything completely will ultimately lead the person to success. This is what we at Don Bosco School of Excellence always strive at. The Spotlight Quizzical Award is yet another instrument for the same. Learning is definitely much more than memorizing portions from books. When a child is given the opportunity to involve himself with the subject, he eventually develops a direct connection with it. And in due course, this helps him or her to fall in love with the subject too. This is the whole idea behind the Spotlight Quizzical Awards, enabling the child to develop a good connection with the subject in the most creative way possible. Aren't you all eager to know how the Spotlight Quizzical Awards will be conducted? Yes, that is what I will be briefing you about now. A short video consisting of questions will be uploaded in the Phil's Pep Talk YouTube channel on a weekly basis. Also, a Google Form link will be pasted in the comment box. All you have to do is go through the entire video and answer the questions through the Google Form attached. Standard 3 and 4 will be clubbed into one category. Similarly, Standard 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Every week, one subject will be focused. For example, this week, if we concentrate on science, next week it would be English, Maths, Social Science, or etc. Questions will be very logical and will also focus on the subject content. These Spotlight Quizzical Awards are not restricted only to the students of DBSOE. Let me repeat, these Spotlight Quizzical Awards are not restricted only to the students of DBSOE. Instead, any child from anywhere around the globe can participate and win the awards. Winners of the Quizzical will be presented with awards and rewards and certificates. Isn't it interesting, children? I know all of you would participate and prove yourself as the best. Hoping to see your tremendous involvement and support as always. Thank you. May God bless you.